We want to put a leaf filter on, so we went ahead and we cut part of the aluminum downspout off. Now we can slip the leaf filter on, fit a leaf filter in here. There was a system that had some Home Depot pipe. It had collapsed and failed, so we're just pulling that out of the ground. Now remember, what you get at the big box stores, look at this. See how thin that is? This is what Home Depot has, Lowe's. So just so you know, look at it, I just pushed that in with my thumb. It's ridiculous. What we're using is 5 to 10 times thicker, depending on which pipe you buy. So we have a heavy duty pipe that's 5 times thicker than this. We have an extra heavy duty pipe that's 8 times thicker than this. And we have an extreme duty pipe that's about 10 times thicker than this. So these cheap pipes that give corrugated pipe a bad name, you just don't want to purchase your pipe from a big box store. I don't know what more to say. So we have our 8-row. This is our 8-row virgin pipe. We got our solid. That's our extreme duty. That pipe is ridiculous. Got all virgin pipe. No recycled pipe. That black pipe in the big box stores, that is recycled pipe. The additives that they have to add to the material makes it soft. And mice, rats, rodents, they just love to chew on that recycled pipe. They chew holes in it. That's why the farmers stopped using recycled pipe, because there'd be colonies of mice and rats living in their drainage system. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions regarding this installation, leave them in the comment section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.